Data science is one of many methods of understanding the health of the planet that we're on. Just like a doctor takes vitals for a patient, data science is a way of understanding how our environment's changing.
I chose the meds program due to the fact that it was 1 year. It was really attractive to just get in, get out, stay really focused. And the combination of environmental science and data science is hard to find.
The summer program here is really special because it's your crash course into coding.
You learn at least 3 languages during this program in R, Python, and SQL.
Those have been found to be some of the most marketable skills and most important skills in the field.
We were here to gain professional skills to give us an edge in the environmental world. So I think meds really helped me learn how to collaborate with others in like a technical capacity.
Students work with outside clients to solve an environmental problem. That is where you really see everything click.
My group got to work with the Santa Barbara Botanic Gardens here in town on identifying priority survey sites for milkweed conservation, which is really important for monarch butterflies. I was our team's product lead, so I mainly focused on creating an R-Shiny interactive web dashboard that the Santa Barbara Botanic Garden team could use to help plan their surveys. It was a really cool experience to get to see at the start of the program and having no experience and then having like an actual product that the team actively uses today. I feel like the big thing here that I've really noticed about being at Bren is the commitment to like drive the environmental data science movement forward.